Hi, this is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers, and we're going to talk a little bit more about categories. We're going to show you how to add a new category inside a post, how to delete categories, how to edit your categories. And we're going to go ahead and go first into editing a post. Here's the post editing categories. Now, right here on the side, you can see these are the categories, and I suggest that you just pick one. You can see some categories that are added here that I don't want. You can see categories that weren't showing up on the sidebar yet, like video, WordPress installation. But if you go over to the website over there, there's not as many categories showing up there. And that is because it only shows up the categories for things that are showing up. Right now I have a couple of them that I need to go back in and add them to a category that's showing up in uncategorized. And you don't want any of your posts showing up there. And categorized doesn't mean anything to the search engine, so it doesn't know what it's about. WordPress settings mean something to them. And so go ahead and use categories that don't use them categorized. I'm still working on this site, getting these tutorials on up, and I had deleted a category with on the pages and posts, and then I added it back, but I got to go back in, and when I deleted it, you delete a category, all the posts that's inside that category, they're still there. You're not deleting the posts. You're just deleting the category. And those posts are now showing up under uncategorized. That's not the topic I want them to show up in. So I will go back into my dashboard and edit the posts and add them to a category. You can see these are all about adding, making new posts in your pages. Okay, we're going to add the category. You can add a category, just click on add new category. Type in the name of whatever you want the category to be. Maybe we're having a recipe blog and we're talking about, okay, we'll put some pizza recipes under the pizza category. So you're going to add a pizza category because maybe this is a pizza recipe. So you just add a new category. And then you go ahead and you're going to click on that one. So where did the pizza go? Right up there at the top. You went ahead and click it for us. And then we can unclick the pages and posts. You go ahead and you update your settings here. This is what not to do. Don't give it two categories. Not unless you have a reason. There's a good reason for it, and it's one of those rules you can break. And look, you can see pizza over here. Pizza is one of the categories. And pizza doesn't have anything to do with this. It's not a pizza recipe. This is not a recipe blog. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to go back in there and delete categories, how to edit categories. We are back on the category section under posts in our dashboard. And you can see several categories that are here. New categories, not one that I need. I'm going to go ahead and click some of these and we're going to delete them at once. Pizza is not one I need. Nor plants, nor trees. I'm not using any of those categories. You can use a bulk action here. And I'm just going to delete those together. And they're gone. Now pages and posts, I'm going to go in here and as you can see, it's got its own slug. It's got pages. It has a description. And we saved it. We can go ahead and do the same thing for some of the others and just type them in. Editing WordPress settings. It already has a slug. That slug is fine. Don't need it to be under another's appearance. So you can go ahead and type in a description here. Got a real quick description there. We have video tutorials on using various settings inside WordPress. And we're just going to go ahead and update it. But that's how you can go in and change your categories, add your categories, have fun with them, use them wisely, and most of all, have some fun with your site. And keep in mind, you can edit, you can change, things aren't set in stone. If one thing's not working, you can go change it to something else. Have fun.